Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some nails. This is how I typically do my press-on nails, except I'm not doing press-on nails, but I'm just going to show you guys how I do it. So usually I start with whatever tips I'm using. I usually file them just to rough up the surface a little bit, and then I come through with a thin layer of builder gel. And I just feel like that gives usually it kind of gives it a little color, and it also keeps the nails sturdy. So I'm just applying a thin layer. I believe this builder gel is from iGel Beauty. It's their gel in a bottle. This is in the color sheer pink. So I apply thin coats and then I cure it. Once the nails are fully cured, that's when I come in usually with whatever design I'm gonna do. So today I'm just kind of freestyling some stuff. I wanted to use a red color. I just really was craving red. This is an old red that I have from Madam Glam. I don't remember the color. I'll try to remember to link it in the description box. I don't like this red. I love the color of the red, but I don't like glitter, and it has a little glitter to it. So that's why I never really use this one, but it is the best quality red that I have. So I went ahead and I used it, and I'm just kind of freestyling, doing some little swirls and whirls on these nails. So like I said, this is how I usually do my press-on nails. So I'm just showing you guys how simple and easy it really is. But if you would like to purchase my press-ons and you have a specific design you want, just head on over to my Instagram. It's at MilaBee_A, and the link is in the bio to purchase press-on nails. So I will say it is important to note that please cure your nails after each coat. I do use thin coats because I don't want the press-on nails to be too bulky. So after I thoroughly cured these nails, I came in with this little white just to give it a little Christmassy look. And like I said, I don't like glitter, but I want to complement the glitter that was already in there. So after I applied this white, before curing, I applied some acrylic powder that's like a white with a shimmer. And then I cured these nails again. Also, I do want to mention that before I did this, I did top coat them off camera with a no white top coat. And the reason why I did that is so I could seal in the red before I did the white, because I know I wanted the white to kind of be, I wanted the white to have the matte from the acrylic. So I did fully cure those red nails, then put the top coat, fully cure that, and then I came in with this white. But remember to keep everything as thin as possible because you don't want your press-ons to be really bulky. So before curing, I did come in with this acrylic. This acrylic is from Double Dip Nails. You guys can try my promo code. I'm not sure if it still works, but it's Mila B, EEB. And that is it. After I cured them thoroughly, my daughter dusted off all the dust. We washed our hands, and that is it. This was a very quick, simple design. I think start to finish just took me about 10 minutes. But I hope you guys try out some press-ons and let me know what you think of these in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.